Hey, what's going on, guys? In this video I am going to tell you where should you start if you are a beginner in programming any programming language. Because if you are trying to learn a programming, the first thing you have to know is the algorithm behind it, right? The best way to learn the algorithm is downloading this software. This is called Raptor. If you are using Windows, it's very easy to download and install. You can just Google it, it's going to pop up right there. You can just install it right over there. But if you are using Mac OS X, it's really hard. I found it really hard to install this one. I'm currently using my university computer to access Raptor, but there was a Russian guy in YouTube showing everyone how to do that. I followed that one, but I couldn't get to the final end, right? But you can watch that video. You can just write how to install Raptor for OS X. It's going to pop up over there, but I couldn't get it because he's also talking in Russian language, so I couldn't get it. But I am accessing that one from the University of Windsor software, but it's really helpful. Like, this is a flowchart. You don't have to know about any coding. You just have to know the algorithm behind it and what is the input, what is the output. It's going to just run it for you. I'm going to make videos on that. You will see my future videos on Raptors, few Raptors. Go ahead and check it. By the time you are seeing this video, I will be having those videos on Raptors. And I hope this helps. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. And also, if you are trying to learn C or C++ programming, there are a bunch of videos on that in my playlist. Go ahead and try them. And thanks for watching. See you next time.